How are you? So there's another question, and the question says that a simple pendulum has time period t on the earth. Okay, so there's a earth and there's a time t. The pendulum is taken to moon. Okay, pendulum went to moon, and the gravitational strength is 1/6 of the earth. If there is g gravitational force on earth, it is g by 6. So in this question, what is the time period of pendulum on the moon? So the formula for time period is given to us by 2 pi root L by G. It means the time period depends on the length of the string and the gravitational force. So T at the moon will be 2 pi L by G divided by 6. It will go above. Okay, I'll write like this only. 6 into L by G. So this will be equals to root 6 T. Okay. So that T will be the new time. The time at moon will be root 6 T. A will be the right answer. We will check the mark scheme. A is the right answer. So basically we have to use the formula and we have to put the new gravitational strength, that is G by 6 given to us. So thank you for watching. Hope your doubt is clear now.